Assalamu alaikum, dear students of class 8th. Today we are going to read another part of the lesson, that is the making of national movement from 1870s to 1947. So today we are going to debate on the topic, that is non-cooperation movement. Non-cooperation movement. So first of all, there's a question, why non-cooperation movement was started. तो इसका जो आंसर है, that is people were not happy with the government. That is why this non-cooperation movement was started. लोग गवर्नमेंट से खुश नहीं थे, इसलिए इन्होंने नॉन कॉपरेशन मूवमेंट को स्टार्ट किया. It simply means that people are not cooperating with the government, people are not cooperating with the policies, programs of the government. ठीक है. तो ड्यूरिंग, यहां पे एक बात याद रखिए, ड्यूरिंग नागपुर सेशन of INC, okay, during Nagpur session of INC in 1920. Okay, remember this point, that during Nagpur session of INC in 1920, resolution for non-cooperation movement was passed. Okay, resolution for non-cooperation movement was passed during Nagpur session of INC in 1920. इसके बाद पहली जो नॉन कॉपरेशन, फर्स्ट नॉन कॉपरेशन मूवमेंट वाज स्टार्टेड इन खेड़ा गुजरात 1918. फर्स्ट नॉन कॉपरेशन मूवमेंट जो थी उसको स्टार्ट किया गया इन खेड़ा गुजरात 1918. ऑलरेडी वी हैव डिस्कस्ड अबाउट दिस 1918 इंसिडेंट ऑफ खेड़ा गुजरात. ठीक है. इसके बाद ये जो नॉन कॉपरेशन मूवमेंट थी, इट वाज लॉन्च्ड इन 1920. ओके, नॉन कॉपरेशन मूवमेंट वाज लॉन्च्ड इन 1920. ओके, और वी कैन से नॉन कॉपरेशन मूवमेंट वाज स्टार्टेड इन 1920 टू प्रोटेस्ट. ओके, टू प्रोटेस्ट against the treatment of Turkey by Allied forces as well as Jallianwala Bagh massacre. Okay, Jallianwala Bagh massacre. Okay. Non-cooperation movement was launched in 1920 to protest against the treatment of Turkey by Allied forces as well as Jallianwala Bagh massacre. ठीक है. Thousands of people participated in this movement, that is non-cooperation movement. In non-cooperation movement, thousands of people participated and people returned the titles given to them by British. Okay, people returned the titles given to them by British. Okay, people returned the titles given to them by British during non-cooperation movement. Remember here one point, that Rabindranath Tagore, popularly इसको बोल रहे थे गुरुदेव, popularly known as गुरुदेव. Rabindranath Tagore returned the knighthood. Okay, returned the knighthood. Okay, Rabindranath Tagore returned the knighthood awarded to him by the King of England. By the King of England. Okay, by the King of England. Okay, Rabindranath Tagore, popularly known as Gurudev, returned the knighthood awarded to him by the King of England. And students left British run schools. Lawyers stopped practicing during this non-cooperation movement, and government used every possible measure to curb दिस मूवमेंट, दैट इज नॉन कॉपरेशन मूवमेंट. ठीक है, तो गवर्नमेंट ने बहुत कोशिश की इस मूवमेंट को दबाने के लिए, बट सडनली व्हाट हैपेंड इन 1922 एन इंसिडेंट आकर्ड. एक इंसिडेंट हादसा हुआ कहां पे? चोरा चोरी. एन इंसिडेंट आकर्ड एट चोरा चोरी इन यूपी when a group of people, or we can say a mob of people, set fire to a police station at चोरा चोरी इन यूपी, गोरखपुर, वहां पे एक जगह का नाम है, एंड किलर 22 पुलिसमैन. तो इन्होंने एक ग्रुप ऑफ पीपल सेट फायर टू अ पुलिस स्टेशन एंड किलर 22 पीपल एट चोरा चोरी यूपी, गोरखपुर. ठीक है, तो विद दिस इंसिडेंट गांधी वॉज ग्रेटली अपसेट एंड ही डिसाइडेड टू विदड्रॉ नॉन कॉपरेशन मूवमेंट. ठीक है, तो इन्होंने नॉन कॉपरेशन मूवमेंट को विदड्रॉ किया. ठीक है, ज्यूरिंग बिकॉज ऑफ दिस इंसिडेंट एट चोरा चोरी इन 1922. तो इसके बाद गांधी इन यंग इंडिया, तो एक मैगजीन आता था यंग इंडिया, तो इसमें इसने लिखा, ओके, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट हियर, गांधी इन यंग इंडिया रोड दैट नॉन वायलेंस, ओके, नॉन वायलेंस is the law of our species. Non-violence is the law of our species. Okay. Non-violence is the law of our species, as violence is the law of brute. Violence is the law of brute. Law of brute. Brute हम बुज़दिल को बोलते हैं. ठीक है, brute. Okay, Gandhi in Young India wrote that non-violence is the law of our species, as violence is the law of brute. तो इसके बाद इन्होंने 1909 इन्होंने एक किताब लिखी, हिंद स्वराज. In 1909, Gandhi wrote a book, and the name of that book is Hind Swaraj. It is in Gujarati language, and Gandhi said that British rule in India was possible only because of the compromise of Indians, and has survived only because of the compromise of Indians. If Indians refused to compromise, then Swaraj would have come within a year. तो इसमें गांधी लिखता है that British rule in India was possible because of the compromise of Indians. तो ये Indians की बदौलत से ये यहाँ पे possible हुआ कि अंग्रेजों ने हम पे जुल्म किया, and it is only because of the compromise of Indians that this Swaraj has not come in India. If Indians refused, अगर इंडियंस इनको इनकार करेंगे, इफ इंडियंस विल नॉट compromise with these Britishers, then this Azadi will come within a year. ठीक है, this was all about this non-cooperation movement. Let me remind you some important points here which may be asked in exam, that is 1920. If you will be asked in 1920, if you will be asked in exam when non-cooperation movement was launched, it is 1920 by M.K. Gandhi. One more question will be when this resolution for non-cooperation movement was withdrawn, that is Nagpur session of 1920. Okay, Nagpur session of 1920. इसके बाद who returned, this may be asked, who returned the knighthood awarded to him by the King of England? It was Rabindranath Tagore. One more point, 1922 when non-cooperation movement was withdrawn, it is 1922. And who said that non-violence is the law of our species, as violence is the law of brute? It is Gandhi in Young India. He wrote that non-violence is the law of our species and violence is the law of brute. One more question may be asked about Hind Swaraj. Who wrote this book? That is Hind Swaraj. It is Gandhi in 1909 wrote a book namely Hind Swaraj in Gujarati language, and he said that British rule in India was possible only because of the compromise of Indians, and has survived only because of the compromise of Indians. If Indians refused to cooperate, then Swaraj would have come within a year. I hope it is clear to all of you. Thanks. Have a nice day.